So next I'm going to talk about how to make, how to get water in a triple point in just a, normal kitchen. So first thing we need is water. So I've got my water bottle here, and we're gonna, it's already filled with water. And in order for it to follow this phase diagram, it needs to be pure water. So right now it is at, there's pure water down here, but there's also, air, just regular air up here. So the first thing we need to do is get only water in this. Now we could fill it all the way up to the top, but we're not going to do that because, I don't have any more water, right? So in order to get only water in this container, we need to heat it up. So heat the water, it'll start to boil. We start about here. We start to heat it up, and it'll move along and reach this vapor liquid curve, and will be right about 100 degrees Celsius as it'll start to boil, and vapor will form above the liquid. And it'll slowly, as we heat it up more and more vapor will form, and it'll push it out of the container. Once that happens, we'll cap the container. Right. And then we have water down here, and liquid water down here, and water vapor up here. So now this closed container follows this phase diagram curve because it's pure water. So we have liquid and vapor in our container. Now we need to get ice, right? At the triple point, all three phases exist at the same time. So in order to get to there, we need to cool it down. So I'll just take this, take it downstairs, stick it in my freezer, and leave it there for about maybe 20, 30, not really sure how long, depends on how cool the freezer is. But while it's in there, the temperature and pressure will start to drop, and it'll follow this curve right here, all the way down to the triple point. And if you leave it in there for too long, it'll pass, and then we'll just get all ice. But leave it in there for just the amount of time, there will be ice, crystals starting to form around the bottom. We'll have our liquid water, and of course there can't be nothing up here. We still have our water vapor up here, even if it's cold. All three will still exist, and that's how you get to the triple point.